Hi guys, this is our first day of picking up trash and we're going to start in the parking lot close to the football center.
Lot 22.
And this is where the tailgates are always held, and that's why there's a lot of trash here, because people just dump their trash after tailgate.
Yep.
So,
Alumni weekend was last weekend. There's a lot of trash. We're going to pick it up.
just gonna make sure it looks good in here again.
Let's go.
We are all very dedicated to this project because of our great love for nature. Next to that, it's easier for people to decide to leave trash behind if there's already litter in a place. So the impact of us picking up trash is even bigger, because not only the trash is gone, but also people will litter less in the places that we've cleaned up. And while we are picking up this trash, we acknowledge that we are doing this on the stolen land of the Nipmuc. Civic engagement means to us that people or communities are working together to make valuable changes. Without civic engagement, the world would be not as pretty as it is at the moment. So with even more civic engagement, we can make the world even a better place.
This is what we found in the woods so far. Max, what do you think we found most today?
Probably our most found item was beer cans.
Beer cans, okay. And what is the weirdest item you found today?
Weirdest, probably a bottle of urine.
Allegedly.
We also found
Okay.
a jar of
Garlic.
So that one is also like,
but like
on top.
cloves of garlic and oil.
So yeah, that's very interesting. I'm wondering why people feel the need to throw it out here instead of just throwing it out in trash cans, but
So we were just walking around and we found these 2 full bags of trash just sitting on the side of the parking lot. And because people put their trash in a bag, they think that they're doing something good for the environment, but leaving it here is still not okay. So we're gonna take these and bring them to the dumpster with us.
See, this is what you're supposed to do.
This was totally full with beer cans and red cups, and I'm still working on the finishing touches, and then we're gonna walk our way back through the parking lot to pick up any more trash. Statistics have shown that there are 152 items of litter for each US resident.
Alright, so we made it about like 100 feet into Frat Row, and we have already ran out of trash bags. So it looks like we're gonna have to come back with some more and continue cleaning up the rest of what's left.
Looking back on this project, we are very happy with the work we were able to do for our community. We also have some feeling of despair because there was so much trash laying around. So we really hope more people will pick up litter whenever they see it, so we can make the world an even better place.